myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time.
いつ買ったんですかこれ。
もう2年ぐらいかな。
さあただいまディープコープに来ております。夕方なんですけどね。飛ばせるですか？
飛べてるでしょう。
ちょっとでも動画を撮るにあたってこれからもしドローンがあれば結構ねいい感じの動画が撮れるんじゃないでしょうか。
そう。
お、いた。お、すげえ。ああ、もう後戻りができない。これ、戻ってくるんですか。大丈夫ですか。本当に。だいぶ遠くまで行ってますけど。大丈夫ですか。
持ってくるんです。可愛いもやつや。
すごいすごい動画としてちゃんと撮ってる。嘘でしょ。
目が落ちた。あいややばい。
That's not good. Pull the battery out.
Yeah.
The battery's smoking. Watch out. Put it down. It might explode.
It's okay.
Oh, it was smoking though.
やば。
Oh, it doesn't look good.
I see. I
I
know.
think you got a dead drone.
Oh my god.
Burnt out.
見たよ。
Shit.
Yeah.
How much money? 100?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
Good luck, guys.
ギブラスあれがわかんない。やっても
I
うた。
see drone accidents all the time.
Yeah, right.
Yesterday, a guy who's stuck in a tree.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like 60 feet up in a tree.
So you can get it, right?
They did.
They did?
Went to the hardware store and bought pipe.
Oh wow. 壊れちゃう。帰ろう。
まさかじゃないですか。でもしかも撮っちゃったし俺これ。
完璧よ。
これもう動画として羽が折れたっすね。
羽が吹っ飛んでった。 こんなことある？最悪。
それいくらやってますか？
これ500。高っ。
高っ。
1回500ドル高いわ。
1回500ドルで買い替えですか？買い替えですか？
買っていいですか？
いいんでしょうかね。
買っていいですか？新しいの買おうかな。
本当ですか？
買いましょう。
マジ？
マジ？
でも一回ちょっと使えるかどうかだけ
まあそうね。
家帰って乾燥させて、だって煙出てましたもんね。
ほんまやな。